Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fine and passing a very good time at home. I, Mr. Taslim Ahmed, welcome you in favor of Engineers English Medium School, Pure School. I am for the students of class 2 and today's subject is social studies. And about the social studies, today we will read about bacteria and virus. Bacteria and virus. So all are prepared, all are very, yeah, fine. Okay. I am wearing a mask. No, I'm not sick, but I'm wearing mask. Why? Let me check my temperature. No, it's not fever. Yeah, so maybe I am, well, oh no, sneezing is not good. Yeah, something is wrong. Yes, but I have to carefully regarding this one. So I'm wearing a mask for you. But now it's a class time, so how can I conduct a class with you? Yeah, so I'm telling something to you. You have to wear a mask like this way and you have to say something about the virus and bacteria. So what is the most famous virus and the notorious virus as now? It is Corona. So you know about Corona. So as I'm speaking, telling something to you, so I'm closing this one too. So it is coronavirus. So how to save and how to prevent this virus from you. So you have to be careful regarding this one, how to prevent. Always, while you are going outside, stay, you are wearing a complete mask which is complete your nose and mouth. Alright. So these two output are incomes, but eyes is very important. So it's better to wear a glass as well, not only the nose and mouth, but eyes as well. So you have to wear a sunglass, a night glass, water glass. You have to wear a glass, and you have to wear a mouse complete from your nose to mouth. All these things will be completed, and it will be neat and clean of you. So you have to wear a mask. So at home, something you have to maintain nicely at home. What is you have to maintain? You have to take care about the fan, about your ceiling fan, about your table fan, and about your AC. So while you are staying at your reading room, while you are staying at your bedroom, while you are staying at drawing room, you will have to turn on the fan, and it should be a minimum average. If the wind has come from the door or window, you will have to shut the window nicely. In the morning, in the noon, don't take too much bath with water, cold water. Take some warm bath, like warm water, and take some warm bath. That will be very good things for you. While you are sleeping, while you are going to bed, that time you need to take care about you. How will you take care about you? Just wear a warm cotton cloth. It should be a t-shirt, it should be a shirt, and it should be neat and clean, and then the bed should be neat and clean, and then you have to be very careful about using your bed things and your reading things. So these things are very important for you. You can ask me a question, sir. That is important for only the maintaining health rules. No, about food is very important. Don't take rotten food at home. What is rotten food? If the food is 1 or 2 days before the food, don't take these kinds of food at all. Take some very good food, fresh food, fruits, vegetables, and water. Plain pure water is very good for your health. So take some water, more water. It's hot and sunny day. So always take a water bottle with you and take a more water with you. That is very important. I am also thirsty as well, so I will take a glass of water. But not now. I am not taking any water. You have to take a glass of water. You will take a glass of water while you are going outside. It's very important. And your menu, your breakfast menu, your lunch menu, your dinner menu. Take a very good healthy fruits, healthy vegetables. It should be a good potato. It should be radish, it should be brinjal, it should be different kinds of vegetables will take with your food, and lots of rice, dried rice, fried rice. You will take lots of good things for you. So healthcare, it protect from your bacteria, it protect from your virus. So that is very important. If you feel that your temperature is a little bit high, check from your temperature. Oh, it's normal temperature. So don't be worried about your temperature. Sometimes ask your mom, please check my temperature from my forehead. Will take your temperature from your forehead and will take advice to you. Or take a thermometer. That is very simple thing. While father is going to outside of the uh, house, tell them to bring a thermometer and check your temperature from your mouth, from your this side, and it will be a very good thing for you for checking your temperature. And take don't take too much pressure about it. So be careful about your using these things. Always carries 2 or 3 very good mask with you. That is very important. This mask should be neat and clean and very healthy and hygiene. Always use some very good hand soap with you. Brush your teeth nicely at home. So these are the very good things for you. So from now onwards, you'll have to try all your basic things. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will tell you regarding this one. I hope that you don't have any question. So today, as it is, don't go out too much at home. Don't go out. You will stay at home, read some books, watch some movies. That is very good things for you. Okay, dear. So today I'm going to say you goodbye. See you next class. Bye.